Hey everybody, how's it going? So I have a mail call to do from Client Graphics, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Hope you guys are having a great day. So I got this letter in the mail. It says Omaha, Nebraska. Says January 5th, 2021. It doesn't have any information on it. I actually did already open it. That's how I can tell you guys on the intro. This is a sticker from Client Graphics. Let you guys know it's empty. So it's a single sticker from Client Graphics. I appreciate you sending me a sticker, Chris. He also did write Happy New Year. You can usually find the 6-pack of these batteries at Walmart. All the best, Christopher. Oh, not Christopher, Client Graphics. His name's Chris. I'm not sure if it's Christopher, but I know his name is Chris. Chris is a great guy. It's a little coupon voucher. Max value $747, manufacturer coupon expiration 2/28/21. So I'm going to take this the next time I go to Walmart and pick me up some of these batteries. I've never tested or tried these Duracell batteries. I don't use much that takes double or AAA batteries anymore, other than like TV remotes and like multi-surround stereo system remotes and my like audio video receiver and my Xbox and PlayStation and stuff like that for movies and stuff. But you know, it's not a huge thing. I believe I did ask. I don't remember if it was. I think it was somewhere in like 2020. I asked him if he could send me a sticker, and he told me to shoot him my address. And he sent me a sticker. I'm gonna be putting it probably on this box. Oh, it's not gonna fit there. I'll figure a place out on the box for it. It'll probably fit down here on this rail. Oh no, it's a little too big. I might have to put it on the tool cart. There's definitely room on the tool cart. So I could put it there. It'd be kind of hard to see if I put it there, because half of it will be covered. Work smarter, not harder, as Chris always says. Thank you guys so much for checking out the video, stopping by. Oh, look, there's a spot right there for it. Right there. I can put it there. Or I can put it somewhere else, because the Tool Boss logo will actually fit right there. So, could stick it right there. Guess we found a spot for it. Appreciate you guys watching and hanging out with me today. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, checking out the video. Again, thank you, Chris, for the sticker. I do appreciate the little coupon for the AA batteries. I'm sure I'll find something that the batteries could be used in. Hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. Go check Chris's channel out. I'll also leave a link up here for you guys. I'll probably be right here, not at the beginning of the video. This is a very short video. So I'll put the link up here for you guys on a card. Let you guys go check out his channel. He's got a good channel. Does lots of cool demolition and destruction of tool videos. He's got a really cool like $40,000 or $30,000 graphing socket where it actually will graph on a computer for you, which is pretty cool. It's a torque socket, and go check him out. He's got a good channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is all I got for you today. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And go check out the top of the description below. I also have an Ulsa Tools link. You guys click on that link, it'll get you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com, as well as a kicks me back availability to get, not availability, but it kicks me back at a 10% coupon on my next order at ulsatools.com. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day and a happy new year. Peace!